Hello and welcome back to the coronavirus update. We had been missing for a bit, but we're back and we're bringing you the latest numbers of the novel coronavirus. If you are feeling feverish, if you have any symptoms which include coughing or you have difficulty breathing, please speak to a doctor right now. Please call a health professional right now. In the UAE, there's a sterilization drive going on. It has been extended, so you cannot go out from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. in the morning. And otherwise, if you are at home, which you should be, please stay at home and only go out if it is absolutely necessary, because the number of coronavirus cases in the world has exceeded 1 million. The current number of cases is 1140570. There are about 61,181 deaths so far of coronavirus. In addition to the 17 new recoveries that have already been made in the UAE, the total number of recoveries are now at 125 and the total number of cases is 1505 as of April 4th. In India, there are about 3,082 cases with 86 deaths. In Pakistan, there are 2,708 cases with 41 deaths. In Italy, there are about 119,827 cases so far with 14,681 deaths. In Italy, that's a massive, massive number. And our thoughts and prayers and our goodwill and our solidarity is there with the Italian people. They're going through a terrible time right now. In Bollywood, we also know that Kanika Kapoor was tested multiple times for coronavirus, but she finally has now tested negative. It has just been reported. She was constantly being tested because until you get a negative test, you can't leave the quarantine, you can't leave the facility. So she's finally tested negative. There's a lot of difficult news to deal in the world so far, but there's also a little bit of good news. There's a little bit of positive news because right now scientists and medical experts are working vigorously towards finding a vaccine or an antiviral drug that can help people cure themselves from coronavirus. So there's a Scripps Research. It's a research sort of tank. They've found an Achilles heel, which is a weak point for the virus, and they've found out that if they can get more people who've recovered from coronavirus, if they can get their blood samples, so they can sort of work more and find out how to develop a vaccine. So they found some lead on how to develop a vaccine or an antiviral drug. So what they have found out with a combination of other drugs and remedies and therapies can actually help people get cured from the virus. That's a little bit of good news. We've got the details on masala.com and you can read that. In India, PM Narendra Modi has asked for diyas, people to light up diyas from their balconies or wherever they are. In Pakistan, the Prime Minister has addressed the nation and he has said that it's not something that Pakistan is vulnerable to. So if you don't see a lot of cases, it doesn't mean that we don't have cases or we can't have more cases. The entire world is in a very vulnerable position right now. And as I said, that the sterilization drive in the UAE is continuing. So if you are in UAE, please stay home and please stay safe. Singer-songwriter Pink has tested positive. She has donated $1 million for the research. Ram Gopal Verma made a very insensitive joke about coronavirus, and what he has to say about that, you can find that out on masala.com. The Saudi king has earmarked $2.4 billion to pay private sector workers. Apart from that, there are more details about coronavirus in the UAE on masala.com. And apart from that, more Bollywood, Hollywood updates are also there on our website, so you can stay updated through that. We will be bringing you these updates as frequently as possible. So stay tuned. And if you are in UAE or if you're anywhere in the world, and if you're practicing e-learning with your children, or if you're a student who's going through e-learning, or if you're a teacher who's implementing e-learning with their students, we would love to hear from you because we want to know what's going on. How is this experience working out for you? It's a difficult situation for everyone, so I'm sure it has its challenges, but what are you going through? What are the benefits and the pros and the cons of e-learning? Let us know about that. Thank you. Stay tuned and we will be back with further updates as frequently as possible. Goodbye.